Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop email notifications from your Indeed job search account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your Indeed account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your account settings and preferences where you can manage your email notifications. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. This menu contains all the essential settings and features you need to customize your Indeed experience. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your Indeed account, including how you receive communications from the platform. The settings page gives you complete control over your account preferences and notifications. Once you're in the settings area, take a look at the left side of the page. You'll notice a sidebar menu with different setting categories. Among these options, locate and click on Communication Settings. This section specifically handles how Indeed contacts you, whether through email, mobile notifications, or other channels. It's an important area because it determines what kind of updates and alerts you receive from Indeed. Within the Communication Settings menu, you'll see several tabs or options. Click on Email to access your email-specific preferences. This tab controls all the email communications you receive from Indeed, from job alerts to marketing messages. Now scroll down through the email settings until you reach the bottom of the page. Here you'll find a section that says "Want to get fewer emails from us?" This is Indeed's way of giving you an easy option to reduce or eliminate commercial emails without necessarily turning off important account-related notifications. Under that section, you'll see the option that says "Unsubscribe from all commercial emails." Click on this option to stop receiving marketing and promotional emails from Indeed. This action will significantly reduce the number of emails landing in your inbox from the platform, while still allowing you to receive critical account updates if needed. And that's it. You've successfully stopped email notifications from your Indeed account, giving you a cleaner inbox and fewer distractions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.